If you are holding off on buying a new camera because you are waiting for the ultimate aps-c hybrid powerhouse, your patience is about to pay off in a massive way. The camera market is reaching a massive turning point, and the leaks surrounding the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-T6 are proving that this will be the most disruptive release we have seen in years. For everyone running a creative business, shooting high-end commercial projects, or capturing fast-paced street photography, the upcoming flagship from Fujifilm is changing the rules of the game entirely. We are talking about a machine designed to push the boundaries of what a crop sensor can do, bringing features that directly challenge full-frame rivals costing twice as much. This is Tech Vibe, and today we are breaking down the fully authenticated leaks, deep tech specifications, and major platform upgrades that make the Fujifilm X-T6 an absolute must-watch. To understand why the X-T6 is causing such a massive stir across the global creative community, we have to look at the massive 4-year gap since the launch of its predecessor. Fujifilm has taken its time, and the reason for this long development cycle is that they are introducing a completely new baseline for their camera ecosystem, known internally as the Generation 6 platform. At the absolute core of this leap is a rumored 40-megapixel partially stacked X-Trans CMOS 6 HR BSI sensor. Stacking a sensor changes everything. By adding a multi-layered internal structure directly underneath the pixels, the camera can process visual data at speeds that were physically impossible on older hardware. This eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect entirely, allowing you to track fast-moving subjects with zero distortion, whether you are shooting mechanical bursts or using the completely silent electronic shutter. But a groundbreaking sensor is only as good as the brain driving it, and that is where the brand new X Processor 6 comes into play. This new processor is a massive jump forward in computational photography and power efficiency. One of the biggest complaints from professional users working with high-resolution bodies has always been buffer limitations. The older hardware could capture stunning 40-megapixel files, but it would quickly choke during sustained high-speed continuous shooting. The X-T6 completely shatters this bottleneck, offering massively expanded buffer depths that allow you to hold down the shutter during crucial action sequences without the camera pausing to write data to the cards. It ensures that high-speed shooting modes are actually usable in real-world professional environments, rather than just looking good on a marketing spec sheet. The processing power of the X Processor 6 also unlocks a massive breakthrough in autofocus intelligence. While previous generations handled basic subject detection quite well, rival full-frame systems have historically held an edge in chaotic, fast-moving environments. The X-T6 closes that gap completely by utilizing deep learning AI subject detection. The camera no longer just looks for a basic eye or a box silhouette, it actively maps human body shapes, predicts movement paths, and can even differentiate between specific types of action to maintain a lock on target. Whether you are navigating a crowded wedding dance floor, capturing wildlife cutting through dense brush, or tracking high-speed motorsports, the AI chip maintains a sticky, precise focus that drastically reduces missed shots. It even introduces advanced face registration capabilities, allowing commercial shooters to prioritize specific individuals in a crowd, a tool that is completely invaluable for event professionals. For the hybrid creators who split their time evenly between high-end commercial stills and high-production video, the video specifications leaking out of the supply chain are absolutely staggering. The X-T6 is set to offer internal 8K recording at 30 frames per second, utilized alongside stunning oversampled 4K video at higher frame rates with zero crop. This means you are getting the absolute maximum sharpness out of that 40-megapixel sensor, downsampled into a pristine, noise-free 4K file that holds up perfectly under heavy color grading. To support this massive data rate, the camera records internally in 10-bit 4:2:2 color science and supports F-Log2, giving filmmakers more than 14 stops of dynamic range to pull out details FR. The deepest shadows and brightest highlights. If you want to push the camera even further in a studio environment, the micro HDMI port outputs a clean 12-bit ProRes RAW and Blackmagic RAW signal straight to an external monitor recorder. Recording high bitrate video at 8K or oversampled 4K raises immediate questions about heat management. Fujifilm has clearly listened to the feedback of production crews working in harsh climates. The design leaks point toward a highly sophisticated passive cooling implementation, with strong rumors of an internal thermal architecture that dissipates heat away from the sensor and processor far more efficiently than before. This allows for significantly extended recording times without forcing the body to become bulky or uncomfortably heavy. It retains the signature everyday carry form factor while giving you the peace of mind needed when shooting long interviews or continuous live events in hot conditions. Another monumental shift that is actively dividing the street photography and filmmaking communities is the rumored redesign of the rear monitor. For years, the X-T line was celebrated for its pure photography-first design, utilizing a multi-axis tilting screen that kept the display directly in line with the optical axis of the lens. However, to truly solidify its status as a supreme hybrid tool, reports indicate the X-T6 will adopt a fully articulating touchscreen display. While some traditional street shooters prefer the classic tilt, an articulating screen opens up endless possibilities for solo content creators, high-angle filmmaking, and vertical video production for premium mobile markets. To balance this out, Fujifilm is upgrading the electronic viewfinder to a much higher resolution OLED display with an incredibly fast refresh rate and zero lag, ensuring that traditional shooters still get an immersive, lifelike experience when framing through the eyepiece. Stabilization is also getting a massive overhaul to support the demands of high-resolution handheld shooting. The in-body image stabilization system is being pushed up to an incredible 8 stops of compensation through smarter coordination between the camera body and stabilized X-mount lenses. This level of stabilization changes how you travel and shoot. It means you can confidently leave the tripod or heavy gimbal behind, capturing smooth, cinematic handheld video pan shots or shooting long-exposure creative motion blur shots on dark city streets completely handheld. It also empowers the camera's 200-megapixel pixel shift multi-shot mode, allowing architectural and landscape photographers to generate files with microscopic levels of detail and perfect color accuracy by blending multiple micro-movements of the sensor. To handle these massive file sizes and data streams, the physical media slots are evolving. The dual SD card setup is being upgraded to a hybrid configuration featuring one ultra-fast CF Express Type B slot alongside a standard UHS-2 SD card slot. This gives you the insane read and write speeds required for 8K video and endless RAW bursts via the CF Express card, while maintaining the affordable, widely available SD card slot for secondary backups or daily photography workflows. It is a smart, professional compromise that ensures the camera fits seamlessly into existing high-end production environments. All of this bleeding-edge technology is wrapped inside the gorgeous, robust, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that made the world fall in love with the brand in the first place. Fujifilm is retaining the dedicated, tactile analog dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, allowing you to adjust your critical exposure parameters instantly without ever digging into a digital menu. It is this unique blending of old-school physical soul and futuristic AI-driven performance that sets the camera apart from everything else on the market. According to the latest global retailer listings and confirmed supply chain timelines, Fujifilm is on track for an official launch window in September. The estimated pricing is expected to sit between $2,100 and $2,400, positioning it as an incredibly aggressive option for professionals who want elite performance without paying full-frame prices. Whether you are looking to upgrade an aging body or completely transition into a more tactile, inspiring creative workflow, the X-T6 is shaping up to be the absolute pinnacle of aps-c technology. This has been Tech Vibe, keeping you ahead of the curve on the future of hardware. If you want to stay updated on the latest tech breakthroughs, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Stay creative, and we will see you in the very next video.